Everyone. Today I am here again to present the most important MCQs for PPSC Lecturer Education. You are watching our channel, The School Education. Before starting this video, I request you to please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more videos and updates. If you like our videos, please like it and share to other people so that they can also gain some information from our videos. Thank you so much. So the first question for today's video: what is the literal meaning of the term range? The literal meaning of the term range is range of matter. Who said education is the development of all those capabilities in an individual which will enable him to control his environment but fulfill his responsibilities? John Dewey said this, that education is the development of all those capabilities in an individual which enables him to control his environment but fulfill his responsibilities. Who gave direction to education? Philosophy gives direction to education. What is the source of achieving aim of education? Curriculum is the source of achieving aim of education. What are the major foundations of education? The major foundation of educations are philosophical, historical, psychological, and sociological. Who introduced question-answer method? Socrates introduced question-answer method. Tell the name of Alexander the Great's teacher. The name of Alexander the Great's teacher was Aristotle, who was considered the father of vocational education. The father of vocational education is Pestalozzi. Who wrote famous book Emile? Rousseau wrote famous book Emile. Who established first school for handicapped children? Maria Montessori established first school for handicapped children. Who was the founder of Dalton Plan? Helen Park was the founder of Dalton Plan. Where was the Imam Ghazali born? Imam Ghazali was born in Tus. When was Ibn Khaldun born? Ibn Khaldun was born in 1332 AD. What was the theme for second conference of Muslim education? The theme for second conference of Muslim education was designing curriculum for different leaders of education. Where was the third conference on education is reconstruction of experiences? John Dewey. Next MCQ is, which branch of philosophy deals with values? Axiology is the branch of philosophy which deals with values. Which branch of philosophy deals with reality? Ontology is the branch of philosophy which deals with reality. The word education is derived from which language? Education is a word which is derived from Latin language. Tell the name of branch of philosophy that deals with knowledge. The correct answer is epistemology. Who is the founder of behaviorism? J.B. Watson is the founder of behaviorism. Cognitive development deals with which factor? Cognitive development deals with mind. Who presented the theory of operant conditioning? Skinner presented this particular theory. Who presented the pragmatic theory of philosophy? John Dewey presented this theory.
Who presented the classification of Farz Ain and Farz Kafaya? Imam Ghazali presented the classification of Farz Ain and Farz Kafaya. When did the first educational conference held? 27th November 1947. When did Hazrat Shah Waliullah born? Hazrat Shah Waliullah born in 1703. Which of the Muslim scholars presented the classification of Ulum-e Naqliya and Ulum-e Aqliya? Ibn Khaldun is the scholar who presented the classification of Ulum-e Naqliya and Ulum-e Aqliya. Who established Muhammadan Oriental School and promoted to college? Sir Syed Ahmad Khan established Muhammadan Oriental School and promoted it to college. Who presented the theory of self-realization in Islam? Allama Muhammad Iqbal presented the theory of self-realization in Islam. How did Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam practice in administration? The correct answer is humanitarian. Who wrote the famous book Kimya-e Sa'adat? Imam Ghazali wrote this book. Who said, for better understanding, it is necessary to educate the child in mother language? Ibn Khaldun. What is the purpose of evaluation? The main purpose of evaluation is to make judgment. What is a formal and systematic procedure for getting information? The procedure is test. Which is the worst of all in scope? Evaluation is the worst of all in scope. What is the right sequence? The right sequence is test, measurement, assessment, and evaluation. What is called the process of obtaining numerical values? Measurement is known as the process of obtaining numerical values. What is the least in scope? Test is the least in scope.
What is meant by word philosophy? Correct answer is love for wisdom. When did Bloom taxonomy introduce? In 1956. In derivative sense, what is the mean by term education? Correct answer is educare and educere. The words educare and educere are derived from which language? These words are basically derived from Latin language. Who said education is the capacity to feel pleasure and pain at right moment? Plato said that education is the capacity to feel pleasure and pain at right moment. A collection of individuals who have organized themselves into a distinct group is known as society. Opposing great or sudden changes is called, it is known as conservative. When had been started teaching learning process? According to Islamic ideology, the teaching learning process had been started with the birth of Adam. In ancient Greeks, how many educational systems were present? There were two educational systems, which were Athens and Sparta. Who introduced question-answer method? Socrates introduced this method. What is the name of Plato's teacher? Socrates was Plato's teacher. When did Plato born? Plato was born in 427 BC. When did Aristotle die? Aristotle died in 484 BC. Who founded the Lyceum Academy? Aristotle founded the Lyceum Academy. What is the period of J.J. Rousseau? The period of J.J. Rousseau starts from 1712 and it ends at 1778. Who founded the normal school? Pestalozzi founded the normal school. Who established kindergarten school? Frederick Froebel founded and established the kindergarten school. Who was considered the father of modern American education? Horace Mann is considered the father of modern American education. When did John Dewey born? John Dewey was born in 1859. Which method of teaching were applied by John Dewey? Problem solving and project method was applied by John Dewey. What is known as the interpretation of numerical values? Assessment is known as the interpretation of numerical values. What were the types of test by purpose? Teacher made test and standardized tests were the types of test by purpose. What is the first step in measurement? The first step in measurement is the decision of what to measure, what we are going to measure. It is basically the first step in measurement. The comparison among different groups is done in. The comparison is done in criterion referenced.
Who said, philosophy is the science of science? Coleridge said that philosophy is the science of science. The metaphysical aspect of philosophy deals with reality. The epistemological aspect of philosophy deals with knowledge. The axiological aspect of philosophy deals with values. Who is the founder of idealism? Plato is the founder of idealism. According to which thought of philosophy, values are not reality? This thought is known as pragmatism. What is meant by perennial? It is meant by everlasting. What is the literal meaning of curriculum? The literal meaning of curriculum is enlightenment. Who transmits its collected excellence to the next generation through process of education? The correct answer is institutions. Which education refers to learning generated from the social experiences and observations of an individual? The correct answer is informal. What is the aim of education according to idealism? According to idealism, the aim of education is to develop mind and soul. according to which philosophy man is responsible for his actions and experiences. This philosophy is known as existentialism. Who developed the curriculum of Darse-e-Nizami? Mullah Nizamuddin developed the curriculum of Darse-e-Nizami. Who wrote The Spirit of Islam? Sayyid Amir Ali wrote The Spirit of Islam. Who established Madrasa Nizamiya of Baghdad? Nizamul Mulk established Madrasa Nizamiya of Baghdad. What was the theme of first revelation? The theme of first revelation was education. Who said a single shelf of a good European library was worth the whole native creature of India and Arabia? It was said by Lord Macaulay. What is aim of philosophy? The aim of philosophy is to search for reality. What is the formula to determine IQ? Formula is here following: MA multiplied by CA and divided by 100. What is the application of philosophy in education? It is used for the selection of objectives. According to which theory employees are lazy by nature? Theory X. According to which model all decision making in the hand of staff members? Laissez-faire administration is the correct answer. How many working weeks in a year at primary level? At primary level, there are 35 working weeks in a year. How many universities were working at the time of partition in 1947? There were 2 universities which were working at the time of partition in 1947 in India. Thank you so much guys for watching our videos. Please keep visiting our channel. If you like our videos, then subscribe to our channel and share with your friends for more videos and updates. Thank you so much.